The Aiper Surfer S2 is a smart, solar-powered robotic pool skimmer that automatically removes floating debris. It keeps your pool surface clean with intelligent navigation, app control, and hands-free operation. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Aiper Surfer S2 pool cleaner, foam noodle, charger supply,
and user manual.
Product overview. How to pair. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn on the Aiper Surfer S2. It will automatically enter network setup mode. Then, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, open the Aiper app, sign in or create an account, tap Add Device, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. Once connected, you can customize cleaning settings, monitor battery status, and receive firmware updates directly through the app. How to use. Before placing the Aiper Surfer S2 in the pool, insert a 3-inch chlorine tablet into the built-in dispenser if desired. Adjust the chlorine dissolution rate by rotating the control at the bottom to suit your pool's needs. Then place the skimmer on the pool surface and press the power button to turn it on. It will automatically collect floating debris such as leaves, insects, and pollen while navigating the pool surface. You can monitor or customize cleaning settings through the Aiper app if paired. After cleaning, remove the skimmer from the pool, empty and rinse the debris basket, and recharge it using solar power or the magnetic charging cable before the next use. Maintenance. To keep the Aiper Surfer S2 performing at its best, regularly clean the impeller, solar panel, and sensor lens. Unscrew the impeller screws on both sides, remove the impeller, clean away any debris, and then reinstall it until you hear a click, indicating it is securely in place. Wipe the solar panel with a soft, dry cloth to maintain optimal charging efficiency, and clean the sensor lens regularly to ensure accurate navigation and reliable performance.
Smart features.
The built-in solar panel powers the skimmer during daylight for continuous, energy-efficient cleaning. It automatically removes floating debris while reducing the need for frequent manual recharging. Recharge the skimmer using built-in solar power or the included magnetic charging cable. This dual charging system ensures dependable performance even on cloudy days or after extended use. Efficiently captures leaves, insects, pollen, and other floating debris before they sink. Its large debris basket helps keep the pool surface clean while reducing maintenance frequency. Advanced sensors and smart navigation enable efficient coverage of the entire pool surface. It automatically avoids obstacles and follows optimized cleaning paths for reliable performance. Designed to hold a 3-inch chlorine tablet for continuous water treatment while cleaning. The adjustable dispenser lets you control the chlorine dissolution rate to match your pool's needs. Connect the skimmer to the Aiper app to monitor battery status and adjust cleaning settings. Receive firmware updates and control key functions directly from your smartphone for added convenience.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Aiper Surfer S2 pool cleaner. See you at the next one.